You probably visit tens of websites every day. Open your browser on your device, then navigate to google.com. Following that, you'll visit further websites based on your Google search in an effort to find information, data examples, etc. Anyway, I'm just giving you examples so you can just see that each time you launch a website, you can actually be able to develop streams of income that would enable you to earn a whopping total of $4,000. I know, it's just amazing, right? That amount is definitely not a joke, and I'll show you how to get it quickly in this video. By the end of it, you'll be productive and well on your way to financial independence, so stay tuned to the very end and learn this clever trick. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's jump right into the first website, which is called UpVoice without further ado. Actually, it's more of a browser extension for Google Chrome than much of a website. That's right, for this technique to function, you need Google Chrome. Anyway, let's learn more about the website before we sign up and download. So while we're on their information website, right here is UpVoice, where you can start earning gift cards simply by using your computer to visit social networking networks. If you use social media frequently, you might even describe yourself as an addict. Then this is undoubtedly right up your alley. But to be quite honest, I think that everyone in this day and age actively uses social media. Therefore, this method will be successful for everyone. How does that voice function? As you can see, there are only 3 simple actions needed to complete every task. After signing up, the first step is to install the UpVoice browser extension, which we shall cover in a moment. The setup is secure, cost-free, and easy to use. The second step is to go to the social networking site they support and use, and then follow the instructions there. The next step is to almost make money while using social media networks. UpVoice secretly captures advertisements and awards you daily points that can be exchanged for gift cards. You are essentially free to browse the website further and find any relevant content that you believe will fill up the knowledge gap. Feel free to scroll and browse the entire page, as it has all the information you need. After your curiosity has been sated, click the blue sign up button in the center to continue the sign up process. You'll be directed to this page where you can now formally start the registration process. Select the option that best meets your needs, from Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo to sign in. Return to the steps after signing up and start with step 1, which is adding the extension to your browser. Once you've done this, you'll have the capacity to create a source of income that enables you to earn money quickly by engaging in your favorite online activity, visiting social media sites. You can carry out this action while in bed, standing in line for groceries, or simply casually browsing your favorite apps. Imagine how simple it would be to accomplish this and create a passive income stream. That's about UpVoice. So we can move on to the next website for today's film, Brave.com. Now, how awesome is that? You should be aware that Brave is essentially a browser comparable to Google, but unlike Google, it provides excellent results that are precise matches for your search terms. Let me assure you that Brave offers the same degree of effectiveness, straightforward navigation, and swift results that are incredibly pertinent to what you're looking for. With this knowledge, one word: money stands out as what makes Brave unique. By surfing and helping your favorite content producers, you can actually make money with Brave. Since you are at the center of the universe and these websites are all working for you, as I said earlier, they will all be aligned to your advantage. In light of the foregoing, you should be pleased to learn that Brave works flawlessly on all of your devices. What's more, you are free to use either Android or iOS because they will function completely on both of these platforms. Since it can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, everything is just a big chef's kiss. Brave has been downloaded more than 500,000 times overall, and it has an astounding average rating of 4.6 stars out of a possible 5, which puts it above the global norm. Most applications only have an average of roughly 3 stars. Additionally, as you can see, there are a range of incredibly good remarks and reviews. There can be no question about this app's integrity and legitimacy given its stellar reputation. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. The third and final website I will introduce in this video is none other than Qumi.com. So let's get back to the video. Since Qumi is a platform where you can express your opinions and shop to get real cash incentives, you will immediately understand what it is all about. You will earn actual cash, not just swag or points, so keep that in mind. By the way, they do highlight this, but their website is really comprehensive, so you can find out anything you need to know right now. Let's take a look around now. You can see the three main things that Qumi has to offer by scrolling a little bit below. First, surveys. Companies are interested in your opinions and want to pay you for them. The second option is cashback. Earn cashback on fantastic things and take pleasure in your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month. Deals located discounts of the most well-known brands, or simply let them show you the options you like. They will all descend from this one sizable Qumi platform, as they indicate right here. They're kind of a big deal with respectable. Trustpilot scores. Scroll down to find their beyond fantastic response. You're in good hands because Trustpilot is a reliable resource for assessing a website's effectiveness. Learn how everything functions next. Qumi will do all the work for you because getting started only requires a few easy actions. Simply filling out surveys while going about your routine everyday tasks allow you to make money on your morning commute, leisure, while studying, or just by doing the most arbitrary thing in life. You can quickly claim your money if you have a PayPal account. After that, simply go back to the website's homepage and start the register procedure right away. There is only one thing left for you to do after entering your email address and password. Click the sign up button. The unfortunate thing about Qumi is that it is only presently offered in a select group of nations, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France. You shouldn't have any problems if you reside in one of these nations. If not, you'll need to use a VPN service to access the service. Choose the free VPN service that best suits your needs from the numerous options available online. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.